It's been great. Chris's knowledge is really great to help with. I can show him my soil test. He can tell me exactly what I need, and when the product comes in, it is exactly what it needs to pep it up and get it going.
Exceptional people, great products, and they're super easy to work with.
Send an email with what I want to order, and it comes on shipment, actually sometimes the same day. They'll get it out the same day or the next day.
They're my friends. You know, they're all my buddies, so that kind of makes the whole experience go even better.
So I like the Aerate. Aerate's worked really good for me. It's had really noticeable results. I really like the stuff. It's a really low application rate to get great results. It's very cost effective.
I would say it's pretty close between the Green Pop and the Micros. I've had really good response from my turf out of that, and I'm going to probably use more of that in the future because it's just giving me such good results.
I love the RGS product. It's been a great thing to add to our program because we use it as a extender for our granular fertilizer, and it adds the nutrients that are missing from some of the granular products that we're using that we can't get blended right now. So instead of having a custom blend or trying to find a different vendor, the solution to our issue is just to add RGS to it, and things turn out wonderful.
Well, we're looking to grow more. It seems like we're adding a truck every single year, and we're rolling out of our current facility, so we'll have to probably look at getting another facility with that, and hopefully keeping the prices stable as much as possible with Greene County, because that's what we hope for.
I would have to say probably seeing what the rest of the product lineup can do for my program and trying to implement more and get a better turf quality.
Continued growth. Hopefully the supply chain will get better for all of us, and continuing using Greene County products whenever I can.